Money is a never ending battle that most of us seem like we always lose in. We complain nonstop about our bad financial pit without even finding a few minutes a day to read a book on personal finance or even watch a YouTube video, unaware that we threw ourselves into that pit. Strange how people have a habit to always yap about their health or other daily problems when they don't even spend 30 minutes making a home cooked meal or putting in effort to be healthier. You might even be frustrated that you got your degree with flying colors, maybe even top of your class, yet you still can't get a grip on this whole finance thing. School didn't exactly prepare you for this. But it's a good thing that you're here watching this video. It means you care about your financial future. And that's what I'll be sharing with you today. Let's see how people became successful and why they follow this 5-hour rule. And what is it really? Hi, and welcome to Business Reactor, where we will be showing you the latest tips and tricks in the financial space as well as business and entrepreneurship. If you want success in your life and business, then you came to the right place. Because in this channel, we help you in getting ready for success. For more latest success tips from our videos, subscribe to our channel and click on that notification bell button. Let's get right into it. The 5-hour rule basically states that no matter how busy successful people are, they always spend at least an hour a day or 5 hours a week learning or practicing their craft or something new throughout their entire career. Sounds so simple, yet so powerful. This strategy is the driving force behind one of the most successful people in this world. The rule can be traced back to the very famous Benjamin Franklin, the scientist, inventor, and writer, and of course, one of the founding fathers. He was known for constantly setting aside time to learn. One thing he would do in the morning is read and write. Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett, who is undoubtedly the greatest investor of all time, spends 80% of his day reading. Apparently, reading around 600 pages daily. No wonder he has crazy knowledge on where to invest. See, that's how knowledge works. Build up like compound interest. Charlie Munger, a friend of Warren, who of course is also a billionaire, says, I always witness people rise in life who aren't the smartest, maybe not even the most diligent, but they're learning machines, going to bed every night a little wiser than they were when they got up. And boy, does that help, especially when you have a long run ahead of you. Reading can do wonders. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, apparently read books, which was how he taught himself how to build rockets. The idea of starting a private space company seemed so crazy back then that no one was willing to risk their career to join SpaceX as the CEO. So Musk had to teach himself rocket science. Bill Gates of Microsoft made more money than most of us ever will combined and reads at least 50 books a year. Whenever Benjamin Franklin would spend an hour learning or reading, he'd accomplish less on that specific day. But in the long run, the knowledge learned made him wiser, helping him achieve significantly more in the future. Who and how successful the person is doesn't matter. If they're 30 under 30 or became community leaders or successful teachers, they have made learning a crucial part of their careers. When I got into the stock market for the first time, I would spend weeks analyzing a single company to find a good investment. Most people get stuck in a job that they do every day for years without investing the time to learn how to do the job more effectively, or at least how to do the job better. We often hear the term work smart, not hard, but how many of us really apply this method though? We might think that spending an hour or two a day on educating ourselves on financial management might feel like a waste of our time, when we can be working hard and earning actual money in that same time frame. But that's the unfortunate part of a fixed mindset. You tend to not really think about your long term. Let's start implementing a growth mindset and start taking action today with the 5-hour rule. So, here's how we implement it. Divide your learning into three categories. The first one is basic skills like communication, personal finance, and nutrition. When it comes to communication, the more you improve your social skills, the better your social life is going to get, obviously. The easier it will get to make new friends and expand your network. And believe me, in this new day and age where networking and community building is at its peak, all you need is one good connection to build a successful business. Second, knowledge of current events. The world moves fast, and every day there is new innovation. And new innovation means new opportunity. Whoever keeps himself up to the latest tech can take advantage of it, like cryptocurrency or NFTs. Anyone at the time who spent a few hours learning about them when they weren't mainstream yet is most likely earning a few $1 million by now. The same could be said about the internet, AIs, and the best part is the new opportunities come through daily. So subscribe to your latest tech news or science apps for the current trends and discoveries. Lastly, professional improvement. Whatever your job may be, there will always be ways on how to execute your work better and smarter. For example, if you're an investor, you'd need to read a bunch. Read and do research on certain companies before investing in them. Not only will that make you more confident in your choice, but you discover more about how companies are alike, how they're different, and how they work, then expanding your knowledge and basically making an easier selection process for you the next time you invest. After hearing all that, I hope you're finding the video interesting so far. If you do, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below your thoughts. We'd love to hear them. The 5 hour rule consists of three main steps. Number one, reading. Start with 15 to 20 minutes or one chapter a day. Don't have enough time? Listen to an audiobook. That's the beauty of technology. Anything and everything can be digital now, so it gives you no reason to make any excuses. Number two, reflect. It's not just about reading, but also getting the best from it. Ask yourself questions and then take time to answer them. There is always more than what meets the eye when it comes to books, so try to reread a few parts and even reflect on them. Number three, application. Done learning something different? Try it out in real time. That's exactly how inventors and thinkers became who they were, from applying their experiments and research in real life. We have Gmail because Google allowed employees to apply new ideas. If you can't or won't apply your knowledge in real life, then why did you learn it in the first place? Once learning becomes a habit, your chances at success and effective productivity are higher. So invest your time in reading and expanding your knowledge. Your future self will thank you. And that's it for today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for up-to-date videos on new trends and tips in the financial space, as well as business and entrepreneurship. Also, do leave a comment below if you have any thoughts and give a press on that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.